Drawing feels like water. Fluid, responsive, always in motion.
It's shaped by where you are,
What you see,
by who you are moving with.
we were to live in this lighthouse for 7 days. Dropped off by boat, we were powered by solar and a water tank that desalinated the ocean water around us. We carried in our food, drawing materials, dive gear.
Time was not linear.
It was circular. Circles within circles within circles.
Curved stairs, curved walls, the lighthouse.
Looking out of portholes to our external world through the shape of a circle. It was truly the architecture of the lighthouse that structured our time.
It became our frame, focusing on the colors of the sea, a dreamlike state of being.
We were isolated, yet immersed. Surrounded by water in every direction, we were demanded to be present.
Nothing else mattered, only being together, with our work, with the lighthouse. Time began to move differently.
Tidal rhythm ruled over all. We followed it.
Drawing became a way of staying with what we were experiencing, of listening to the organisms around us.
Slack tides were precious moments to explore our underwater world. It was also the safest time to get in.
As the currents, in different times, moved faster and faster.
In our falling tides, we watched the cormorants being swept away, even by boats as they approached our island, repelled by this mysterious boundary.
We were sirens.
Being in the water wasn't separate from the work. It was a part of how we learned to pay attention.
We met some years ago in Miami. Our connection was instantaneous, and the collaboration naturally grew.
It was seamless how the environment shaped the rhythm of our days.
The sight, our movements, the way we worked.
Living and working inside the lighthouse brought our collaboration into a new alignment.
Materials had to be intentional.
We collectively spoke about drawing, its immediacy.
The way it captures form so quickly, the vibrancy of color.
Beatriz brought these beautiful oil pastels from Brazil where she grew up. They felt magical to use. Massive strokes, saturated lines, colors moving so fluid across our watercolor paper.
We chose acrylic and oil pastel, materials we hadn't used in a long time, stepping outside of our usual practices to form a new shared language.
We drew within the rhythm of the tides, so we could also study our surroundings.
A pink hydrozoa that had left Randi utterly transfixed. Kelp, rockweed, bivalves, unidentified shark.
Our field research in the water became conversations, the species we chose for our drawings, all essential to the intertidal zone we were living within. Other species were from memory to the waters of South Florida where our collaboration began.
As artists, we are drawn to organisms that are often overlooked in their size, quantity, or purpose.
In our ecological web, when something is everywhere, it's easy to stop noticing.
And yet, these organisms hold our ecosystems together.
Nothing felt solid. Living there felt like being on a boat.
The constant movement of water made it easy to forget that we were standing on a fixed island.
We preferred to work during the day, when the drawings felt frenetic, charged with light.
The space held us in color and vibrancy.
Really, the whole lighthouse is an artwork in itself. It's the psychedelic installation by artist Randi, who generously invited us to make work there.
The colors, the energy, the way we moved through the space.
Every sunset, we gathered on the highest balcony, right outside our drawing room.
Disco music played as the light shifted, where we danced the sundown, a daily ritual, attuned to the rhythm of the lighthouse and to the world he created within it.
At night, the Fresnel lens beat into the Orient Point channel. Striped bass splashing, so many of them, it was hard to count. Our tiny bay sparkled with bioluminescence that mirrored the stars of our dark skies, creating this endless cosmos.
In just a few days, we completed 29 drawings. Some we left behind as offerings for those who would come after us.
What we made at the lighthouse remains open, and it continues to grow, always in motion.
Our practice, together as artists of the sea, carried forward with the tides long after we leave.